What's happening in the financial world? We're diving deep into the latest analysis from Zacks Equity Research. They've just dropped some critical insights that could reshape your investment strategy, and we've got the breakdown you need to stay ahead of the curve. Next up, get ready to hit the slopes. SnowBrains is forecasting a massive foot of fresh powder for New Zealand this weekend, with prime conditions hitting the southern lakes. We've got the resort-by-resort details on where to find the best snow. But it's not all about the markets and the mountains. We're also uncovering the secrets to boosting sales in the produce aisle. Discover how smart merchandising can make fresh fruits and vegetables irresistible to customers. And finally, a crucial alert that affects how we access information online. News Group Newspapers has issued a strict policy regarding automated access and data mining. We'll explain what this means for you and how to ensure you're a verified visitor. Don't go anywhere, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. The stock market is buzzing, and Zacks Equity Research is at the forefront with critical updates. Their latest analysis is poised to influence trading strategies, offering a closer look at companies like COHR and Light. This isn't just about numbers, it's about understanding the market's pulse and making informed decisions in a dynamic financial landscape. In the fast-paced world of finance, timely analyst insights can make or break an investment. Zacks Equity Research consistently provides in-depth commentary that guides both seasoned traders and newcomers. Zacks Equity Research is highlighting key players and market trends, with a specific focus on companies like Kohu, COHR, and Lumentum Light. Their reports delve into the intricate details of trading, aiming to empower users with actionable intelligence. The emphasis is on providing a clear path to better trading decisions, moving beyond general advice to specific, valuable data points that can lead to tangible results for their audience. Audience impact. Investors and traders are keenly watching these analyses for cues on market direction and potential opportunities. The clarity and specificity of Zacks research are often cited as crucial for navigating complex financial markets. Stay tuned, because the financial forecast is just the beginning of our packed show. Next, we're trading market charts for powder alerts as SnowBrains drops a massive weather report for New Zealand. Get ready for an epic powder day. SnowBrains is forecasting a foot of fresh snow for New Zealand this weekend, with the southern lakes set to receive the biggest dump. This is the snow report skiers and snowboarders have been waiting for. Early season snow is crucial for ski resorts, and a significant snowfall event can dictate the success of the season. This forecast is a major indicator for winter sports enthusiasts in the region. The SnowBrains forecast details a potent northwest pulse arriving Saturday night through Sunday. The Southern Lakes region is expected to be the prime beneficiary, with Treble Cone leading the charge with an estimated 7 to 11 inches of snow. Cardrona is close behind with 6 to 9 inches, while Coronet Peak and the Remarkables are predicted to get 5 to 8 inches. In contrast, Canterbury resorts are looking at a much lighter accumulation of 1 to 3 inches, with the possibility of rain or mixed precipitation near the bases due to higher snow levels and strong winds. The snow is described as dense and creamy, rather than light and fluffy, with significant wind impacts expected, especially in Canterbury where gusts could reach up to 140 mph. Snow levels will vary, being lower in the southern lakes around 4,400 feet, and higher in Canterbury at 5,456 feet. Audience impact. Skiers and snowboarders are already planning their trips, with social media buzzing about the forecast. Resort operators are preparing for a busy weekend, hoping for optimal conditions to draw crowds. But before you pack your skis, we've got a different kind of beauty to discuss. Prepare to be inspired as we reveal how to make fresh produce pop and boost grocery store sales. Unlock the secrets to a thriving grocery business by mastering the art of produce merchandising. Learn how strategic displays can transform simple fruits and vegetables into irresistible customer draws. In the competitive grocery landscape, the produce section is a key differentiator. Effective visual merchandising can significantly impact sales and customer perception. The article draws a parallel between how car dealerships showcase gleaming vehicles and how furniture stores stage perfect rooms, applying this principle to the produce aisle. It emphasizes that fresh produce, like jewels, needs to be displayed to highlight its natural beauty. Produce managers are advised to train staff on gentle handling and rotating items to showcase their best features, such as the blush on a mango. The strategy involves creating color breaks by artfully arranging different colored fruits and vegetables together. Think bright oranges next to green apples or red potatoes beside green beans. Wet racks can be used effectively with items like radishes next to leafy greens or carrots with broccoli. The core idea is to slow down customers, catch their eye with vibrant displays, and stimulate impulse purchases. Even simple items like red cabbage can be cut to reveal their color, and red onions can be peeled slightly to add a ruby shine to a potato display. By focusing on visual appeal, proper stocking, and same-day freshness, the produce department can leverage its inherent qualities to win over shoppers. Audience impact. Shoppers are already responding positively to well-presented produce, with many sharing photos of appealing displays online. Retailers are looking to implement these techniques to drive foot traffic and increase basket sizes. Visual appeal is key, but what happens when technology tries to access our content without permission? We've got a critical alert from News Group newspapers that you need to hear. A critical alert for online users. News Group newspapers is strictly enforcing its terms of service against automated access, collection, and data mining. This measure is in place to protect their content and services. Websites worldwide are grappling with automated bots that scrape data, impacting performance and potentially violating terms of use. This notice clarifies News Group newspapers' stance. The message from News Group newspapers Limited highlights that their system has flagged potentially automated user behavior. They explicitly state that their terms and conditions prohibit the access, collection, or text data mining of any content from their service by automated means, whether directly or through intermediaries. This policy includes usage for AI, machine learning, or large language models. For those interested in the commercial use of their content, they direct inquiries to Crawl Permission at News Co. UK. The notice also acknowledges that systems can sometimes misinterpret legitimate human behavior as automated, and in such cases, users are advised to contact their customer support team at help@thesun Co. UK. The message reinforces their commitment to protecting their intellectual property as outlined in their standard terms and conditions and privacy policy. Audience impact. Internet users, particularly those employing scraping tools or automated browsing software, need to be aware of these restrictions. Legitimate users experiencing issues are encouraged to reach out to customer support for resolution. That's a wrap on our top stories for today. Now, let's quickly recap everything you need to know before you go. All right, Trendix fam, let's do a lightning round recap. Zacks Equity Research dropped some major financial insights. SnowBrains is calling for a foot of powder in New Zealand, and we learned how to boost produce sales with killer displays. Plus, a crucial heads-up on online access policies from News Group newspapers. Don't miss out on any of the action. Hit that like button, subscribe for more, ring the notification bell so you never miss an update, and tell us in the comments which story you found most shocking. And for all the behind-the-scenes action and more, follow us on all our social media channels.